Hello everyone. So I have a new Google Ads question. Let's get started on the question. Okay, my boss says $40 CAC was possible with her old company. Says current $3 CAC is too high. Okay, let me try to understand the question first. I run Google Ads for an e-commerce grocery company app with 800 plus transactions daily and roughly 10 organic new users daily. Users would have to download, sign up using mobile number, no other sign up method available yet, and purchase. We service up to 30 to 40-kilometer radius only within major cities. I presented to our boss that our customer acquisition costs were at $6 from mid-February to end of February with a $380 total budget, and historically we have had $3 as our best CAC. Okay. She then told me how her old shipping and freight company had 15,000 plus transactions, have had $1 to $40 cost acquisition per customer. I assume now CAC means cost acquisition customer with $80 to $160 monthly budget. I want to doubt that the old company was reporting wrong figures to her, or if these were just download users. Either that, it's a completely different business model. I will ask her today how the user experience and the scope of operations was in her old company. But yes, find it extremely ridiculous since with our current deliverable areas, we are experiencing $1 to $1.5 CPM already. Even with great creative, say with 3% CTR, it would cost $1 to get 30 clicks. You have to funnel these 30 clicks into a download, sign up, and purchase with at least 2 to 3 of these clickers becoming actual purchases. I just need help if this is really possible to achieve $0.4 CAC customer acquisition cost. Now I got it. Okay. So first of all, if your boss old company was doing it much lesser, you can easily figure out from the Google Ads account data. So look around for the old Google Ads account data, and that can precisely tell you regarding if this statement from the old one is true or not. So I think that we may look around on the search. We may need to do few things on the app and offer, and few things with the campaign optimization to achieve our dollar 0.4 customer acquisition. Yeah, it's possible, but we need some optimizations need to be done. Okay, few things with the app on offer. I do not know your app or offer, but generally my suggestion would be you need to give up some incentive to the users so that they can download and buy. Maybe you can offer some 10% discount for those who want to who download and get their first order done. So this will give you incentive, and this will urge them to do an action. First of all, look around on this one thing. This is an offer you need to do an app, and this will increase your download and then bring an urge to the user so that they can eventually download and do the order. The second, with the campaign optimization, I will look around some data. Data means peak times when I'm having more sales, when sales are high, and peak days. Because you told that you are targeting only 30 to 40-kilometer radius, you may see around. So location maybe you will find, but look around on these data and the keywords which are spending more money. So I will focus on them. So if I going to figure out that my 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and then 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and then 10 to 11 p.m. my sales are high, I'm only going to target those timings in order to increase my sales and conversions. If I get more downloads on Saturday and on Sunday, I'm going to spend my most money on that. And when I'm having poor conversion, for instance, with some clients you get Wednesday, very poor conversions. So, for those days we can reduce our budget, and in alternative days we can increase our spending when we are getting more sales. So these small settings can even increase your reduce your customer acquisition cost to $0.4. But apart from these, account structure optimization, ad optimization, looking around at the negative keywords, search term queries, doing a comparator analysis, analyzing on what users are visiting, how users are visiting and downloading, and their data can also increase the sales. But follow these, and this will help you in reducing your customer acquisition cost on the Google Ads. So yeah, I hope you like this. And if you or anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, don't forget to hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.